In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear or block cookies in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome. Then move to the top right corner of the browser window and open the main menu. From there, select Settings. Once you are in Settings, look for Privacy and Security. To remove cookies that are already stored, choose Clear Browsing Data. This tool lets you delete browsing information from Chrome, including cookies and other site data. When you open it, make sure the option for cookies is selected. Clearing cookies can often fix those issues, but keep in mind that it may also sign you out of websites you use regularly. If your goal is to stop cookies from being used in the future, go back to the Privacy and Security area and open third-party cookies. Depending on what you want, you can block third-party cookies to reduce tracking across websites. Block all cookies for stricter privacy, or allow cookies only for specific sites by managing exceptions. Blocking third-party cookies is usually a good balance for most people. It can limit cross-site tracking while still allowing many websites to work normally. Blocking all cookies is more restrictive, and some websites may not function correctly if you choose that option. If that happens, site exceptions can help. You can allow certain trusted websites while keeping stricter settings everywhere else. Once you have made your changes, Chrome saves them automatically, so there is usually nothing else you need to do. That covers everything you need to know.